company name is Agarwal Matpack Industries, and my name is Nimit Agarwal. I am the CEO of the company. The company was started by my father and my uncle 31 years back. We started with a small corrugation plant and without any business background or a business exposure. So we started from scratch, and after that going from a manual corrugation plant to an automatic 5-ply corrugation line to offset printing presses. So that was our current 31-year journey, and currently we established a new unit completely dedicated for mono cartons, rigid boxes and labels. Few of our clients that we serve are into pharmaceutical industry like Zydus, and FMCG, TTK Healthcare is one of our clients. Then talking about the footwear, we have a few clients from Jaipur and Rajasthan segment in footwear, and we have clients in edible oil segments. These are the few clients, and in the garment exports, garments, textiles, we are supplying to Reliance Trends, Tata Zudio, and Bossini, Lifestyle, Max. The other options that we explored in the market was like Heidelberg, then Manroland, and other printing presses. So, and then we finalized Komori because the production capacities of Komori, the market reviews of Komori, the quality output of Komori, so and the machine design, the sleek design, and the features of Komori, the production quality, the production output, efficiency, efficacy. So we talked to a lot of printing customers and already our colleagues in the industry. So everyone suggested Komori is better than Heidelberg and Planeta and all the other brands. So and after seeing the demo of the machines and the features of the machine, so we finally decided to settle with Komori. Komori really helped us to approach new customers. So Komori itself is a big name, and when we tell the customers about it, that we have installed a brand new Komori 7-color plus coater, which is the fourth the configuration that we have installed is the fourth machinery in India. So even the customers get really excited to work with us about the quality, because seeing the quality and the production, the efficiency that we can offer with Komori, so they really get excited to work with us. So that has really added to the image of the company and the brand. So Komori team has been really helpful, whether it was pre-installation or post-installation. After the installations, the installation team, the application engineers, the sales team, they have been really helpful and very supportive in everything, whether it was some delays from our side, or from the jobs and anything, but they have really been supportive throughout the period. And I don't think so that I can expect this level of service from any other brands in the industry. With the features that we got in the Komori, so that has really helped us in achieving the production efficiency, production efficacy, and which has helped us to maintain the quality results in each and every job, whether it has been the first job or a repeat job. So because of that, we have been able to achieve the customer satisfaction and have been able to reduce our wastages and rejections. So that is the major positive advantage for us and for the company. And in future that we have expected to that is to reach around 500 tons of paper converting capacity on this press, and once we reach the target, we will definitely gonna plan a new press.